Hi guys, summers are literally hitting so hard. So today I thought of making something super refreshing. I got these beautiful Kacchi Keri. First, I'm just boiling the raw mangoes until they're completely soft. Let them cool slightly. Then just peel and squeeze out all the soft, tangy pulp. Now into the blender. Mango pulp, fresh mint, sugar, roasted zira powder, black salt. I'm adding cold water to adjust consistency. You can keep it thick like a concentrate and store it in the fridge for 3 to 4 days. And that's it. This is our homemade Kacchi Keri Mint cooler. Yes, this is exactly what I needed today.